Okay, lesson 1, chess pieces. So let's see what we have to do here. All right, so your goal first is that you'll be able to identify all the chess pieces and demonstrate how to move them on a chessboard to accomplish a goal. So you're going to go to chess.com and sign in with your Google account, preferably your school Google account. And once you log in, you're going to click on the profile pick and add a pick. Then you're going to click on the tab for Learn and then How to Move Pieces. So I created a link down here for chess.com, so you go click on that. It'll bring you right here. You'll click on Login, and then you'll click on your Google right here for Google Login. You'll pick your account, your school account, and you'll log in. Now up here on the right, you'll see a picture for me, but you probably don't have one, so you're going to click on Profile. And then you can click on Edit up here. And right here, there's a button right here where you'll upload a picture of yourself. So you'll have to do that. Right here, you can change your username and stuff if you want to change your username. Mine's listed as Mr. James Lynn. I don't think I could put Coach. I think it was too long. So this is just a basic member. There is a membership plans if you want to pay. I think it's like $30 for a year, maybe cheaper for students. I would suggest that you pay the $30. It is well worth it to pay the membership. So once you do that, you can click Save down here at the bottom. And so it'll upload it. So, and the reason that you put a profile pic is so I can see a picture of you when you are showing proof that you did your work. So you click on Learn. That's your next part. You can click on Learn, and that's where all the lessons are. So week 1, you're going to do how to move pieces. Week 2 is playing the game. Week 3, opening principles. Week 4, winning the game. Week 5, capturing pieces. Week 6, finding checkmate. Notice that mine already has a green circle with a check. That means I've already completed these. The ones I haven't completed either have a partial circle or no circle at all. So when you finish your lesson, you're going to come back to this page right here, and you're going to do a screen capture. You do that with a on a laptop. It's usually like FN, print screen, or something. It depends on what kind of laptop you use, but whatever laptop you use, do a print screen on that. We'll get to that in a minute. So you'll click on, for your lesson, How to Move Pieces. And then you'll see all these lessons right here. So you'll go through each one of these. Each one of these is only like a couple of minutes long. Like this, these are like 1 minute each. So this will, and after each one, you'll get 5 questions. So you'll click on it. You'll start it.
Chess is one of the oldest.
You'll watch the whole thing, and then there's a started challenge. You'll do it right here. And you'll do all the videos and all the challenges for this lesson. Once you finish them, then you'll come back to this page right here. Show me that you, like, I can see this right here and see your profile at the same time. Then you'll hit their print screen. And oops, that was print screen. Okay. And then you're gonna open up a Google. Go back to your portal and open up a Google Doc. And then you're gonna paste. We'll open a blank one here. Blank one. Blank. Then you're gonna paste the picture here. There we go. All right, so it's shows me that you finished the lesson and that you have a profile pic here. Up here, you're going to retitle it as lesson 1 dash and then your name, whatever your name is. Okay, I'll put James Lynn for me. Okay, boom. All right. So now, and then you're going to once you finish the lesson, I want you to type in a paragraph reflecting on this assignment. Tell me what you learned or liked or didn't like about this assignment. You can be as honest as you want, but I'm just trying to find out if you learned anything or liked it. So once you do that, so underneath here, I want to type in your reactions or your reflection. So type your reflection here. Make it one paragraph. All right. So then you're going to go back to the Google Classroom, which is right here. Go back to the classwork, and then you're going to click on Lesson 1, and then you're going to, under this right here, you're going to import your assignment from Google Documents right here, which I can't show you on my screen because it doesn't allow me to show it, but that's what you'll do. Okay. All right, that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know.